Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. If you are ready, keep all your things. Keep all your things. Taguan na tayo nga gamit as we start our new subject. Okay. Before we'll start to we will proceed to our next discussion. Let me present to you our objective in this morning and math. Okay. Everybody read our objective. Okay. You're going to multiply a simple fraction correctly. So now let me present to you our classroom rules. First, we have everybody read. Yes, listen to your teacher. So, mamati ka mo when I am discussing here in front because this new day, new knowledge. Next, we have. Okay, raise your right hand if you want to answer. Just only raise your right hand if there is some question, clarification, or anything. Next, last. Okay, the most important one is respect each other. Okay, what we will going to do to our classroom rules. Yes, you're going to follow and obey. Thank you. Then, now, before we'll proceed to our new lessons, our discussion this morning, what was our topic last time? It's all about? Correct. It's all about addition. So what is addition? Yes. Stand up, please. Yes, gadugang-dugang. Next, what else? Paano ta mag-add? Yes, we're going to add from right to left. Now, I have here a situation. I have here a situation. Okay, everybody read. Okay, you studied math for 5 of an hour. You spend 1/2 of that time answering word problems. So, what do you think is the problem on this situation? What is our problem? It's all about how much time you spend if one half of that time answering word problem. So what do you think the operation will going to use? You have? What do you think? Subtraction? Yes, we're going to use multiplication. So how we are going to multiply the fraction? O, paano mag-multiply fraction? Sino nakabalo mag-multiply fraction? We have analyze the danay ang aton problem. You studied math for 5 of an hour. So, nag-spend ka ko, no? Nag-study ka ko ng math for 4 or 5 of an hour. You spent 1/2 of that time answering word problems. So, then, so, ari natin given. So, we're going to use a multiplication, operation nga multiplication to get the answer. So, how we are going to multiply the fraction? That is the question. How we are going to multiply the fraction? Yes? Very good. We're going to multiply some numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. Okay, let's multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. So 5 times 2, 10. Very good. So do you think ma-simplify pa ni sa into the lowest form? Yes. How? How? Yes, i-divide natin sa 2. Very good. Nga 2. Because ang 2, pwede pa siya ma-divide sa 4 and then sa 10. Very good. Next, 4 divide it to 2 is, we have 2. Next, 10 divided into 2. We have 5. Very good. Mas simplify pa sa into the lowest form. Hindi na. So, the correct answer is 2/5. So, pila ko no ang makonsume niya sa pag-answer sang word problems. We have 2/5 hours. Very good. So now, may ara na idea? May ara na idea? Now, okay, what do you think are our lesson this morning? Yes, obviously, it's all about multiplying simple fraction. We have multiplying simple fraction. We will discuss. So, everybody read. Like what I said earlier, nga in multiplying daw sang fraction, we need to multiply the numerators together with denominator. So, like for example, 4/5 times 1/2. We're going to multiply the numerator and numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Next, 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 5 times 2, 10. And convert it into the lowest form. So, this is the correct answer. Next, 2/3 times 3/4. We have 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Ano ba lang pwede nga ma-divide sa 6 kag 12? We have 6. Very good. Nga nag 1/2 na di siya. I-divide din natin sa 6/6. Next, 6 divide it into the 6 is equal to 1. Next, 12 divided to 6 is equal to 2. That's why ang aton answer is 1/2. Next, another example. 5 times 6 times 8/6. Next. Hindi, 3 lang, 3. 3. We have 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Next, 6 times 6 is 36. Ang 15 kag 36, pwede pa natin ma-convert into the lowest form or simplify into the lowest form. Yes, i-divide siya sa 3. Very good. So, paano na siya? So, 15 divide it into 3 is equal to 5. While 36 divided sa 3 is 1, 3, 2, 12. Then, 12. So, this is the final answer. Next, we have 3 times 8. 8 times 10 2 times 5. Now, ayan na. 3 over 8 times 2 over 5. So, we need to multiply the numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. So, 3 times 2 is equal to, we have 6. Very good. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. So, ma-convert pa ni sa into the, or simplify pa ni sa into lowest form. So, we need to divide into 2. Very good. Next, 6 divided 2 is 3. And then, 40 divided into 2 is 90. Very good. Ma-convert pa into lowest term. Hindi na. So, this is our final answer. So, may pamangkot pa? May pamangkot pa? Wala na? Wala na? Naintindihan na? Okay, very good. Now, again, how can we multiply, or how can we multiply simple fraction like this? We're going to, yes, we have to multiply the numerator and then denominator. So, why it is important to simplify the answer? Why it is important we need to simplify the number? Yeah. Yes. Please stand up. Very good. Because kay para mabalaan natin ang correct answer. Very good. So, in multiplying simple fraction, we need to multiply again the numerator to denominator. Amala na siya kasimple kung paano natin mag-multiply sa simple na fraction. Now, meron pa pamangkot? Wala na. Very good. Now, I will divide the class into 3 groups. Okay. This will be the group 1, this will be the group 2, and this will be the group 3. So, each group, I will give a situation. Then, you're going to answer and present here in front. So, this for group 1, group 2, and group 3. So I will give you 10 minutes to do your activity. Tapos na? Tapos na group 1. Group 2, tapos na? Group 3, are you done? Okay. Let's wait na lang sa group 3. Tapos na? Group 3? Are you done? Alright. Now, let's listen to the work of Group 1. Group 1, present your work here in front. Okay. Mati sa Group 1. Okay. Group 1 reporter. Okay, very good, Group 1. So, now let's check if the work of Group 1 is correct. Okay, problem number 1. It is correct? Correct. Next, problem number 2. It is correct? Correct? Correct. Very good. Number 3, problem number 3. It is correct? Correct. Now, let's give a very good clap to Group 1. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay? Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, let's proceed to Group 2. Group 2 reporter. Very good, Group 2. Now, let's check. Problem number 1. Do you think it is correct? Correct. Very good. Problem number 2. It is correct. Very good. Next. Next. Is it correct? Correct. Very good, Group 2. Now, let's give a wow clap to Group 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Now let's proceed to the last group. Group 3, present your work. Okay, very good. Group 3. Now, let's check if the work of Group 3 is correct. First, situation. Have? Correct. Next, second. It is correct. Correct. Third. Have? Correct. So, now let's give a nice clap to Group 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, everybody start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now, may pamangkot pa about sa aton nga lesson this morning. There's any questions, clarification? Wala na? Okay. Kindly get 1/2. Okay. 1/2 sheet of pad paper. Kindly get 1/2 sheet of pad paper. And answer this one. Answer this one. I'll give you only 5 minutes to do this activity. Okay? You can start now. Tapos na? Tapos na answer? Yes? Papers up? Okay, down. Now, let's check. Now, 3 times 6 is 18 over 20. Next, we have divide it into 2 or 2. Okay. Yes, 9 over 10. Very good. Next, 8 times 3 is 24 over 8 or 3. 1. Very good. Next, 9 times 4, 36 over 15 or 12 over 3. Very good. Now, 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8, 81. Very good. Next is 54 over 56. Very good. Or 21 over 23. Very good. Now, who get 5? Who get 5? Okay, very good. Kindly pass all your papers. For your assignment, kindly get your assignment notebook. And copy this one. Copy your assignment. Are you done? Done na? Okay. Everybody keep all their things. Keep na. And we will proceed to our next subject. Na? Keep na all your things.